Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today, guys? So guys, today's video we are going to be unboxing. I have one or two things that I got. I think it's 1 week plus, so I just keep it aside. I didn't use it because I want to show you guys cheap things I ordered from Amazon that you can, if you have Amazon app on your phone, you can order it as well, and it's very good. I'm going to unbox it now and show you guys what I ordered in a very cheap price. This is one of them. As you can see, I've already removed the carton from these things that I'm going to be unboxing. Like I said before, it's 1 week plus now, so it came, I removed the carton, but I haven't seen what is inside. You can see this one is still sealed. It's still closed. You can see it's still closed. I still have another big one. It's very well closed. I have not seen what I ordered. Let's see what is inside here first. Let's see this one. I ordered this fine glass for my smoothie fine glass. I ordered this. This is the both glass that I ordered. I love the quality. The quality is so good and it's very strong. It's very strong on that. I love it. Inside, let's see how it's going to look like. So it's a set. It's a set. We have this one. This one for panini, like for bread. This one is for bread. You can use this one for bread. You can see the marks. It's cut. This one you can use it for your panini, your bread. So this one is for normal cutting and like cutting my stuff. This as well. So and it came with these two small ones, which I already have before. I think I'm going to throw those ones away because they are no longer sharp, and it has been long I got them. So I'm going to throw them away. I have this stuff I love a lot, guys. This is it all. Let's see what is inside. Wow. Guys, where I'm doing this video, I'm so sorry. Wow, can you see what is inside? Wow, this one is so big. Wow. So guys, this is it. This one is really good. This one is for leg. So when you want to mop your house, if you want to mop and you don't want to use that one for normal mop, so you can get this one on Amazon. This one is very cheap. I got it in a very cheap price. This one, can you see that? This is so nice, guys. I really love it. This is the cover of this place. Then this is the mop. This is the mop that came with it. And this is the iron. This one I'm going to stand it. I'm going to put it inside to just be one long one. So this is the iron. This is the mop. And this is the main pocket, the main rubber. This is the cover. When you finish mopping, you can just cover it like this. Then can you see that? This is so good. The thing that you are seeing here is not up to 25 euros. So thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye guys, I'll see you on my next video.